Something weird is happening with money right now. People are working more than ever, but somehow it still feels like it's not enough. And at the same time, there are people making money while they sleep. Yeah, literally. So the question is, what do they know that most people don't? In this video, I'm going to break down 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2026. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense, just real strategies, explained like we're sitting and talking over tea. And trust me, some of these are way simpler than you think. Let's start with something basic. Imagine this. You have $100. Not a lot, right? You could spend it, maybe food, maybe clothes, gone in a day. Or you could plant it, not in the ground, but in something that grows money. This is where the first idea comes in, dividend investing. Now don't worry, this is not some complicated Wall Street thing. Think of it like this. You buy a small piece of a company, and that company says, "Hey, thanks for owning a part of us. Here's some cash." Every few months, even if you're doing nothing. But here's the weird part. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start. You don't. You can start small, reinvest the earnings, let it grow slowly. It's like planting a tree. You don't get fruit tomorrow, but give it time, and suddenly you've got a whole orchard. Now let's move to something more modern. Digital products. This is where it gets interesting. Let's say you create something once, maybe an ebook, maybe a simple course, maybe even a pack of templates. You spend a few days making it, and then people keep buying it again and again. No inventory, no shipping, no out of stock. It's like creating a vending machine, but instead of snacks, it sells your knowledge. And the best part? You don't have to be an expert. Most people don't realize this. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. That's it. Now here's another one, and this one is kinda underrated. Content creation. Yeah, I know, everyone says this, but hear me out. Let's say you start a YouTube channel. At first, nothing happens. You post videos, maybe 50 views, maybe 100, feels pointless. But then, one video clicks, then another, and suddenly your old videos are still getting views every single day. That's passive income, because the work you did months ago is still paying you today. It's like recording a message, and it keeps talking for you forever. But here's the problem. Most people quit too early. They post 5 videos, don't get results, and disappear. Meanwhile, the ones who stay consistent win. Now this next part is important, because this one requires almost no money. Affiliate marketing. Let's say you recommend a product. Could be anything, a phone, an app, a tool. Someone buys it using your link, and you get a commission. Simple. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't need a big audience. Even small traffic works. Imagine this. 10 people click your link. 2 people buy. You earn something. Now multiply that over time. Videos, blogs, posts, all working in the background. It's like having multiple small taps, all dripping money slowly. Not huge at once, but steady. Now let's talk about something a bit different. Automation. This one feels almost unfair. Let's say you build a simple system, maybe a Telegram bot, maybe a website, maybe even a small app. It runs without you. People use it, ads show up, you earn. You're not trading time anymore. You're building a machine, and machines don't get tired. But here's the catch. You have to build it right, once. After that, maintenance is minimal. And finally, one of the most powerful ideas, but also the most ignored, renting digital assets. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. Let's say you own something online, a website, a page, a tool. Instead of selling it, you rent space on it. Ads, listings, subscriptions, people pay to use your platform, and you just own the space. It's like owning land, but on the internet. And the internet never sleeps. Now, if you notice something, all these ideas have one thing in common. They take effort at the beginning, but after that, they keep working. That's the whole game. You work once, get paid multiple times.
instead of working every day just to get paid once. And yeah, none of this is instant. If you're looking for overnight success, this is not it. But if you're thinking long-term, this is where things change. If you enjoy simple finance explained like this, you already know what to do, because I break these ideas down step by step without the boring stuff. And honestly, the biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time, waiting to have more money, waiting to feel ready. But the truth is, you don't need perfect, you just need to start. Because while you're waiting, someone else is already building their first stream of passive income. And a year from now, they won't be asking how to make money. They'll be asking, how do I manage all this money coming in?